Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be using broken PvP legacy kits. Like, actually broken. I'm not joking. This is actually broken. It's really broken. So, I hope you enjoy, but there's one thing I need to say. Is only 7.07% of you guys who watch my videos are subscribed, and 93% of you guys aren't. So please, subscribe, and I will appreciate your existence in life. Let's get on with the video. Oh no, this isn't my kit. Oh shoot, let's leave. Oh no, oh shoot, this is the wrong kit again. The kit that I will be using, oh shoot, I forgot to take that away. This is literally OP, not even joking. I'm gonna love doing this. Are you sitting? No, you're not. What the heck? You, my sir, are you are doing a significant amount of damage. Like, not even joking. Sir, are you okay? Yo, this kid killed my dog. What the heck? Hacks? According to me, this kid is hacking? Hello? Hello? Okay, I need to upgrade my armor. Okay, now I know what was now I know what the problem was. I did not have blast protection, and that is a crystal kit. Yeah, that's like this. If I'm gonna use crystals, I have to be more careful. Oh shoot. Okay. This kit. Okay, yeah, we're using the same kit, I believe. Yep, yeah, we're definitely using the same kit. I know for a fact we are. Okay, time to do this. Wait, if we're using the same kit, then he has crystals. And he has blast protection. Oh no. No, I'm out. No, I have blast protection. Why am I sharing a kit with this idiot? Use your own kit. Come on. Frick. Screw you. Okay, I guess these kits aren't broken, because I am sharing these kits. What in the heck? What are they doing? I'm pretty sure we do not have the same kits. I am pretty sure. But although I could be wrong, and I am practically wrong, yes, I am wrong. We have the exact same kits, and there's nothing between him and me. You son of a behind. Bro, nah, you kill my freaking dog, I'll kill your life. Bro, I'll make you not feel your life like my friend I can't feel my life did. Oh my god, like I'm like miles away. Go away. Go away. Bro, this bow has punch, right? Go away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Oh no, I think I know this guy. I think I know him. I think I know this guy. Not a YouTuber. That I've met him on Discord before. He's in a Discord server with me. I think I know him. What was his name on Discord? I think it was in the YouTuber Hangout. Oh yeah, I think it was in the YouTuber Hangout actually. It was in the YouTuber Hangout. I have strength. Are you gonna chug gaps? Like, he's just gonna, okay, you know, I'm gonna just chug gaps. Chug. Oh my god, this is gonna be fun. Oh my god, I shouldn't be this loud. Oh shoot, no. He can't kill me. He can't even kill me anymore. Is this a, okay, yeah. Give me 15 years. Boxes have been shown. You know, I'm just gonna leave TV. I already just left. I had like an entire inventory of enchanted gapples. Oh no, he has the exact same thing. I guess this was just me. I hate people. Don't mess my stuff. Okay. Now let's just wait. This is kit 1. Okay. No, I'll do kit 2. I don't want to I don't want the other person. Okay, wait. You know what? That'll be it for today's video. Honestly, I don't want to make it too long, and I'm tired. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Like, subscribe, so one day I can get YouTube rank on a server. And also, there's also one other thing that I want more subscribers to get. Well, no, more subscribers. Well, no, basically, there's one more thing I need more subscribers for, and I'll show you. So I'm in a Discord called the called YouTuber Hangout. And if I go to myself, I should be somewhere over here. Come on, where am I? Here. This is my rank, 0 to 74 subs. And look, this is I want to be this rank, aspiring YouTuber, 75 to 300 subs. So, subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on all post notifications so you never miss when I post another video again. Thank you, everybody, for 35 subscribers at the beginning of the year, January. I was at least 31. We've got 4 subscribers so far in 1 month. That is better than any other month, I believe.